The jungle and the pampas keep secrets, stories of legend and traditions of Asian peoples. Discover them with Bala Tours, the best choice to meet intimately the nature of Parque Madidi and Pampas del Yacuma. Bala Tours, established in 1996, is a company that promotes responsible tourism with ecological and social sensitivity. It brings together the expertise of local guides who best know natural attractions. Our visitors receive the best hosting service in ecolodges, built with materials from the region, and all comfort in cabins that blend with the landscape. From Rurrenabaque, our well-equipped boats follow the course of the rivers Beni and Tuichi, reaching Tacuarales, our ecolodge. A journey of about 3 hours, admiring the landscape, the forest of the tropical Andes, and the Bala Stretch, a spectacular view to enter the Madidi National Park. Our ecolodge, Tacuarales, has single, double, and family cabins with private bath, and quadruple with shared facilities. An excellent restaurant and the experience of our guides. Tacuarales is in a special place that allows observation of wildlife. Mammals, exotic birds, and above all, feel the extraordinary nature of one of the most biodiverse areas in the world. Bala Tours offers dedicated attention for small groups. From a full day for tourists with little time, to programs of 6 or more days in their special packages, which include bird watching, like different species of macaws in the wild. Photographing the birds with their bright colors on the green of the jungle is often a wonderful experience. Our programs promote walking in the jungle, following interpretation trails, and trips for observing nocturnal animals.
1, 2, 3, 4.
To learn about the rainforest, feeling the smell of the damp earth, and the depths of these impenetrable, challenging forests. Bala Tours offers you the Madidi, surely your best choice to discover the mysteries of the jungle.